Intelligent edge technology enhances data analysis processes to provide insights at an accelerated pace by combining edge computing, IoT devices, and AI. Take renewable energy application as an example. Edge technology can analyze weather conditions around wind turbines to instantly adjust positioning for maximum outcomes. Intelligent edge technology automatically determines whether data remains at the edge or gets sent to the cloud for storage or deeper analysis, helping to optimize the flow of data. To ensure easy and comprehensive design with faster time to market, engineers need not only edge devices used to collect and process data, but also various hardware components that enable intelligence to be distributed throughout operations. At Mouser's one-stop shop, you will find all the components and solutions required for intelligent edge. The Molex Mini-Cool Edge, or MCIO, connectors and cable assemblies deliver 4x, 8x, 16x, and 20x options with high-speed 16 gigabits per second, 32 gigabits per second, and up to 64 gigabits per second data rates. These products offer improved flexibility in system designs due to the straight right angle and side exit options for multiple plug types. Pulse Electronics Trans-Inductor Voltage Regulator, or TLVR, dual-winding inductors feature TLVR topology, enabling faster transient response and utilizing a dual-winding power bead inductor. They leverage existing high-volume automated manufacturing to ensure quality, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. NXP Semiconductors MCX A-Series FRDM development board is a cost-effective, compact, and scalable board for rapid prototyping using MCU Espresso. This NXP FRDM board features the MCX A-Series to address various applications with scalable device options, low power, and intelligent peripherals. Microchip Technology 64-bit RISC-V quad-core microprocessor, or MPUs, are Linux OS-capable processors that provide power-efficient and embedded computing platforms based on RISC-V instruction set architecture. These microprocessors include built-in secure boot, real-time modes, a large flexible L2 memory subsystem, and embedded peripherals. For more information about Mouser's products and solutions for intelligent edge, please visit www.mouser.com.